Good morning and welcome to the kingdom. If you're a believer in the Most High and you're trying to make money, then this is the place for you. God said, "Seek first the kingdom, and everything will be added unto you." This is where I teach people how to become financially free. I want you to follow along in this journey with me. The market. Everybody knows I own a business and I'm an investor in stocks. Right now, we have 5 minutes before the market opens, and this is what it's doing. We have a little pullback before. This is the 1 minute chart. This is the 5 minute chart. So let's follow this along. Let's see what the market does at open. See if we can make our $200 today. That's all we shoot for is 200, because 200 a day will give us $1,000 a week. And most Americans don't even make $1,000 a week. So let's just wait and see what we come up with today. Looks like the market wants to go higher. As you can see, this line here is the VWAP. Let's see if it stays above that. So this could potentially reverse from this black line. But we're going to see what happens when the market opens. It's starting to reverse. Let's see if that little bit of green turns into red, and there it goes. Let's see what we got. Just a 1 minute. We're pushing down for the market open. I believe we got 2 minutes left. Nice strong reversal back. Look at that. Okay, it's staying strong. It's definitely staying strong above that VWAP. We have another minute to go. Let's see if we get a reversal right here when the market opens. The market is open. There it is. Look at that push. Wow. Right at the open. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that candle. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, normally what I do is I play the reversal. That is crazy. So what I did is I just sold that major push up on that 1 minute candle. Let's see if we get a quick reversal. So we just broke over that high of day. Let's see if it stays high or it comes down. If you look up here, this is my profit. There's my 100. Let's see if we can get 2 trades at 100. Nope, it took off. It turned around. So this line here is whether I'm in profit or loss. And right now I'm in a loss, and everybody can see I'm down $100. Let's see what we got on this 5 minute. We got this one. There's our 200 a day. Let's see if we can hit 200. There's $250 we just made. And the market's been open, what, 3 minutes now. $250. Everybody seen that? That was our day. It's been 7 minutes since we have been recording. Made $250 in 7 minutes. We're going to take that, and you see it's falling more, so we could have made a lot more than that. Look at that thing coming down now. We could have made a lot more than 250. And that was only with one contract. But at the market open, you see how we get in a lot of reversals. These are quick scalps. You have to be in and out. Did you see how quick that turned around? Now we're going back up to highs. Let me just open this up for you. That's the 1 minute. Up to that. Look at that 5 minute candle. Amazing. So what we can do, if you want to play that again, because that's a huge candle, I'm looking for a turnaround on that. So we can actually play that again for a quick scalp. Let's try 2 contracts, because the more you put in, the more you can make, and vice versa, the more you can lose. But you know what? Let's try it. We're in. With 2 contracts this time, let's see what we can make. Up here, everybody sees profit and loss. And if you really have money, you can do 10 contracts. But look at how quick you lose, though, on this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a strategy that I use. If it goes against us, I double down, which is not the greatest because you can lose double the amount of money. But right now we're up, what, $40? Let's see if we can pull another 100 out the market. Now, most time when you get greedy, you're going to lose. I could have just took the 250, been safe, went off, and did the rest of the business that I have to do. So we make money. We have multiple streams of income, and we make multiple amounts of money. See, this is breaking out. This is going big. So what we can do is we can come over to FinViz and just see we're in the NAS. So the NAS is up 108 points. Let's go back and see what we got going on. We're up 50 right now. We want this to reverse down to here, which is, we think we can get it right down to here. That's what, 625, or at almost 635. That's a 10-point drop. You see I'm losing more and more money. So now what happens is this looks like it might stay up for another hour or two. Normally when you have this big run up, look at from the VWAP all the way up, you got a nice market move. Okay, this has to come down. We're up 150, so we take our profit. Let's see if we can break 100. That was a quick move. It does not want to come down. They're not pushing this down. So I definitely see what happens. We're down 400 now. There it goes, down 500. We should have kept the 200 and been done with it. But let's see if our strategy works. Or I wanted the quick scalp. I should have just kept it to one contract and we would have been down 250 instead of 550. We do not want to go down right now. 700 bucks. So what I would normally do is take two more. Let's see if it goes up to 46 again. That's not stopping. It's not stopping. So I'm down 800. Let's see if we can get it. There you go. So I added two more. So when you keep adding contract, your price, your break-even price goes up. So we're still down 10 points, but we're down $700. Like I said, this looks like it's going to be 1 to 2 hour move, or at the end of the day, a move to the downside. But we should have just came in, took that money, and ran with it. But I'm over here trying to teach something, and it might not work out. For this strategy, you have to have a large account balance. If you don't, you're going to get wiped out. You're going to blow your account. So we're at 650. This has to come down to 630 on the next candle. There's your next candle. Let's see if it pushes down, or they're going to just keep pushing this up. We need a good flush down now. We need a good flush down. Okay, we're back to breaking even. We were down 700. Okay, see, they don't want to push this. They do not want to push this down. We need one good flush. This cannot turn. This has to keep coming down to here. And it might turn up. This has to come down to this blue line. Or if they turn this, it's coming way back here and we're going to lose a lot of money. We need that push down. One more push down. Nope. Looks like I told you what was going to happen. They want to push it up. Now I just want to get out. I'll take whatever I can just to get out. Okay, there it is, people. 150, $350. Nice. 350. You just saw what happened. Look at that flush. I told you, the blue line. Could have made more money off this. I think it's going to bounce back up off that blue line, but it hit the blue line. We made $350. 350, and the other one was 250. $600. 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Look at it. Nope, there it goes. More. Oh wow, that was $1,000 day right there. $600, 17 minutes, and this is for the kingdom. This is what we do. Now I have to go work on my business. I'm $600 richer. If you want to learn how to do this, look in the description box. Leave a comment on this video. I cannot believe this. I should have stayed in it. Wow. Over 1,000 it would have been. Look at that push down. Everybody saw it. I'm glad I was able to make 600 this morning. You saw the live trade. I want you to share this with everybody that you know who's a trader. This is how you become financially free, starting with $200 a day. That's our goal. And as you saw, we just made 600. Thank you all for watching. This is the kingdom.